allowed from school.
But real farmers are facing real challenges.
Low yield, high improve.
Learning support and better tools.
So we designed the system.
Welcome to our solution.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you about our new app. Its name is Smart Planting System. This app helps farmers growing plants better using smart tools like sensors and data. The first part is colors and look. This app uses green colors. Green means natural, plants, and life. These pictures are very simple and easy, so people can use it very easily. The second is the main part of the app. There are 5 main parts. You can see them at the bottom of the screen. Each part has a small icon. The first icon is home. This is the first page after you log in. You can choose what you want to do. The second icon is the soil sensor. This part helps to check the soil. It tells us if the soil is wet, dry, or need to care. The third icon is the data and advice. The app looks at the data and gives smart tips. It tells us what to plant and when to plant. The fourth icon is real work. Here you can see the machines working in the field. And the last icon is teamwork. It is the showing the data and the talking with the others. The third part is good things about the app. Why use our app? Because our app is very easy to use. You can log in very fast. It's very simple to learn. The second is very clean button. The app shows big, clean button to help you choose. Third is smart ideas. The app helps farmers know the best way to grow food. And last is the nice chart and pictures. It uses a picture to show the data, not just a number, so it's very easy to understand. I can give an example. A farmer opens the app in the morning. He sees the weather and the soil data. Then the app tells him the crop is good to plant today. He looks at the robot working on the farm. Later, he shares the data with a friend to ask for help. And last, this app is very helpful and easy. It uses smart tools to help the farming. We hope farmers will like it and use it to grow more and better food. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, today I will introduce the recommendation engine, the brain of our smart farming system. It begins with a simple question: what should the farmers plant, how should they fertilize their land? These questions are not always easy to answer, but our recommendation engine helps farmers make better choice. It uses real-time data and past-performing records to give smart suggestions. So, how does it work? First, we collect data from the environment. This includes soil pH, nutrients and moisture, temperature, sunlight and rainfall, or past crop yield and past problems. Then the AI models analyze the data. What crops grow best on this land? When is the best time to plant them? What type and amount of fertilizer should be used? The output is simple and useful. Farmers will see the best crop to plant and the best time to plant it. Fertilization plan include type, dust and timing. Heat map to show where each crop grows best. Chart lines show how much yield can increase, maybe even 20% more. We also designed this as an easy-to-use app. It will show recommendation card with all key info. Okay, so why is important? Our goal is to help farmers grow more food, saving time and reduce waste, use farmer chemicals, adapt to climate change, improve food quality and nutrition. This system is especially helpful for small farmers in Southeast Asia like you. Let's help on the part.
To tackle food security challenges in Malaysia, drones and robots offer smart and efficient solutions. So this part will highlight how intelligent machines will help in agriculture and support sustainable food production.
Drones and robots can help us plant not only at plain farmland but also at hilly land, and is suitable for rice, corn, and all palm. By using drones and robots, we can alleviate the shortages of labor force and improve the utilization rate of land.
Once crops are planted, the next challenge is to provide them with nutrients. So this is where smart fertilization comes into play. We can deploy soil sensors on the ground to collect the data and output fertilization map. The drones precisely sprays point to point based on the fertilization map and automatically adjust the spraying rate. By using drones and robots, we can save fertilizers and reduce pollution and improve the food quality.
Drones and robots can conduct precise pest and weed control. They can identify weeds and pests and conduct point-to-point pest and weed control. Drones and robots can also support rapid recovery. They clear fallen plants, debris, and silt firstly, and then they can replant of crops. And according to the growth conditions of the remaining crops, They can provide them with nutrient supplementation and root top dressing.
Okay, welcome to our part. This is a section we will see 5 key points. The first one is the real-time monitoring. Our sensors track soil, moisture, and temperature, and pH. The second one is the smart analyze. You see that the data is processed and sent to the cloud for soil health report. Okay, and the third one is auto adjustment. Our system which adjusts irrigation and fertilization automatically. Okay, let's see the first section is ongoing optimization. Our insights is we want to improve the planning and the resource use over time. And let's say the fifth our goal is just create ideal soil conditions for the better crop growth.
The main function of the computation platform is the intelligence of collecting data into one system, so that the management can follow the understand the field conditions. In terms of the data, the safety collect data in the real time. There is the API and the Internet of the Things and the government data. And the strong is the executing in the cloud of the designations, cleaning, analyzing, and meaning. It uses machine learning and the big data tools to the mature API's growth and environment change, pay attention to the data security, and provide 0 of the process. When the data is not longer in the user, it will be complete cleaner, zero physical depression, and the another mean to ensure that it cannot be recalled. Of course, this system also has some challenges, such as the difficulty in the insurance data provide and security. First of all, the attention of the lack during the inconsistent data statement and the lack of the user trust. I think this problem will ensure the difficulty of the conditions, reducing verbi and the even better than the final infinite.
Our smart farming solution uses AI-driven solar sensors, automated drones, and tailored crops recommendations, all working together to increase harvest, reduce waste, and empower farmers. With smart irrigation and precision fertilization, our crops can increase by up to 20%, real resource use drops by 30%. It means more food with less cost. For smallholder farmers, our mobile app provides localized insights, what to plant, where to water, and how to grow, all in the palm of their hands.
Let food security be more than a slogan. Future farming starts today.
By this project, the Intelligent Precision Farming System 2.0. It combines AI, IoT, and real-time data in a way that's actually practical for farmers, especially in places like Malaysia, where small farms and diverse climates are normal. What stands out is that the team didn't just focus on fancy tech. They thought about how farmers will really use the voice-based app, multi-language support, and the idea of giving farmers different planning options instead of just the one recommendation. That's smart and it builds trust. They've also considered real challenges like internet access and equipment costs, and proposed a realistic solution like edge computing and shared drone service. Overall, it's a well thought out system with strong potential to make a real difference in sustainable agriculture.